Hi, grade 5 students. Morning. Today's topic is dividing decimals by 10, 100, and 1000. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to divide decimals by 10, 100, or 1000. Basic. When you divide by 10, 100, or 1000, you can move the decimal point to the left. The number of decimal places you move is the same as the number of zeros you are dividing by. Now start with dividing by 10. When dividing a number by 10, there is a shortcut to get the answer. Just shift the decimal point one place to the left. Example number 1a, 43.07 is divided by 10. Since 10 has only one zero, so the decimal point is moving to the left one time between 4 and 3, so the answer is 4.307. And then 1b, 43.7 is divided by 10, so the decimal point is moving one time to the left between 4 and 3, so the answer is 4.37. Now dividing by 100 or 1000. When dividing a decimal by 100, there is a shortcut to get the answer. Just shift the decimal point two places to the left. Example number 2a, 40.7 is divided by 100. Since 100 has two zeros, so the decimal point is moving to the left two times. 1, 2. So the decimal point is before number 4. So the answer is 0.407. Number 2b, 407 is divided by 100. So there is no decimal point in here, so start the decimal point next to number 7. So from that point, move to the left one time and two times. So the decimal point is between 4 and 0. So the answer is 4.07. So when dividing a decimal by 1000, just shift the decimal point 3 places to the left. Example number 2c, 4071 is divided by 1000. So the decimal point is moving to the left 3 times because 1000 has 3 0. Starting from this point before after number 1, to the left 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So the decimal point is between 4 and 0. So the answer is 4.071. Now look at your workbook, page 119, number 2 and number 3. Divide. 6 is divided by 10. Since 10 has 1 0, so move to the left one time. So the decimal point is before number 6. So the answer is, yes, that's true, 0.6. And then B, 5.54 is divided by 10 equals 5.4. And then C, 215 is divided by 10. So move to the left one time, so that the point is between 1 and 5. The answer is 21.5. Next, part D, 5.2 is divided by 10. So the decimal point move to the left one time before number 5. So the answer is, yes, that's true, 0.52. Now go on to number 3. What is the missing number? 23.7 is divided by what number equals 2.37. Look at this one is 23.7 and the answer is 2.37, so the decimal point is moving one time to the left, so it is divided by, oh yes, by 10. And then B, 0.78 is divided by what number equals 0.078. The original one, the decimal point is between 0 and 7. Now between 0 and 0, so move to the left. How many times? Yes, one time, so it is divided by 10. 41.06 is divided by what number equals to 4.106. Before that, the decimal point is between 1 and 0. Now between 4 and 1, so that is moving to the left one time. So it is divided by what number is that? Yes, by 10. And then the next one, part B, what number that is divided by 10 equals 0.2. Since we know that 10 has only one zero, so the decimal point moves to the left one time. Now it becomes between 0 and in front of number 2 after 0, so between 0 and 2, so the answer is yes, 2. Now go on to your workbook, page 122 and 123 for number 8 and 9. Number 8, divide by 100 or 1000. 7.5 is divided by 100. Move to the left 2 times. 1, 2. So the answer is 0.075. Next, part B. 49.3 is divided by 100, so the decimal point is moving to the left 2 times. 1, 2 before number 4, so the answer is yes, 0.493. 8C, 6001 is divided by 100. Start this point, from this point move to the left 2 times. 1, 2, so it is, the position is between 0 and 0. So what number is that? The answer? Yes, 60.01. And 8B, 708 is divided by 2. 708.2 is divided by 100. So start from here. Move to the left 2 times. 1, 2. So the decimal point is between 7 and 0. So the answer is 7.082. Now go on to number 9. Fill in the blanks. 9A, 613 is divided by what number equals to 6.13. Before that, there was no decimal, so the decimal is located after number 3. Now the answer, the decimal point is between 6 and 1. So move to the left. How many times? 1, 2. So it is divided by, yes, 100. Next, 86.2 is divided by what number equals 0.862. Before that, the decimal point is between 6 and 2. Now the answer is between 0 and 8. So that means the decimal point is moving until before number 8. So how many times? 1, 2. So it is divided by 100. 275 is divided by what number equals 0.275. Before that, there is no decimal point, so it is moving to the front. 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point is between 0 and 2, so that is in front before number 2. So 3 times moving to the left. So the answer is by 1000. And the last one, 90. What number is divided by 100? The answer answer is 0.006. Okay, so I think this one is moving to the left. Okay, 2 times. So the answer is 0.6. Now go on to the next one. Okay, the next page is thank you very much. Now do the Google form available in your Google Classroom for reviewing this topic. See you later. Bye.